Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. I hope I haven't annoyed you yet with my unboxing videos, but as I told you in advance, we will have a series of unboxing videos because I ordered like 7 kits that I'm going to unbox, and the diamond painting along with the beaded cross stitch kit that I'm working on right now are taking some time to complete, and as soon as they are finished, I promise I will post the video review. So this is a country bridge from Diamond Dots that was purchased on Walmart website. It was the cheapest there. Yeah, Walmart has diamond paintings and sometimes they're cheaper than on other websites. Although I saw it in Mary Maxim for $27 a few days ago, and now it went back up to $43. So let's unbox and see how it looks inside. But first, I would like to show you the original image. Here it is, very beautiful. So I lack fall pictures. I have only one. I want to have 2 more, because what I do, I change the diamond paintings during the season, and I don't have enough for autumn. Once I complete this, and I have one more coming from a European company, Wizardy, I will hang them on the. I will frame them and hang them on the wall, and I'm sure they will look magnificent. So let's open the box and see how the canvas looks inside, along with the drills. Now let's look at the canvas. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit that comes on a polyester canvas. The kit contains 30 colors, and the adhesive is a poured glue. I actually love the rendering. It is really very detailed, looks pretty detailed to me. The size is 50 by 50 centimeters, or as for instance 20 by 20 inches. Nice. Look how detailed it looks. So the rendering is quite color related, and it's just beautiful. The country bridge. Amazing fall picture. Hopefully it will turn out as detailed as the majority of Diamond Dots pictures. Beautiful image, right? As to the symbols, I'm sorry for the cracking sound, I'm just sitting on the floor. As to the symbols, they're very clear. The majority of the symbols do not have round wheels, do not have black wheels around their symbols, which is great because they won't be seen through the diamonds. I love the continuation of the picture on Diamond Dots designs. I was trying to find an original picture. Not sure who the artist is, although I know that all the designs are licensed. I couldn't find it, so this is the only one. Although over here it looks a little bit brighter than the imprint on the canvas, which is great. Fall should be bright, beautiful. And besides, yeah, it is a little bit brighter. The rendering is a little bit brighter. I'm not sure why my camera is not catching the correct colors. Maybe because I'm recording during the day, not during the artificial light. Okay, so this is the canvas, just for you to see how detailed it looks. Now let's check the drills. I wonder if they have any ABs, because when I saw this diamond painting, I was planning to replace a few colors with AB, specifically yellow, white, maybe blue. I'm not sure. If you follow my channel, you saw the poster view of also Diamond Dots kit Walk Down the Autumn Lane, and I'm in the rapture over how it turned out. I added that one was a Thomas Kincaid's collection. It did not originally come with AB diamonds, but I did add a few AB and neon accents, and the result was so gorgeous. I was planning to do something like this with this very kit, with this very image, but let's hope that it already comes with ABs. Okay, let's see the drills. Haha, lucky me! I'm so excited. Yes, this kit does come with ABs, and not only with one color, as I would think, but three colors. White AB, green AB, and yellow AB, so it should turn out terrific. A unique sparkle. So these are the drills. The colors are very autumn-like, very bright, beautiful. I'm pretty sure it will be a pleasure to work with them. Not the same shade, like for example my previous kit, peachy brownie colors, but these ones are beautiful. The variety of colors. There is even blue, which is, for instance, goes on the sky and in the water. As to this color, I might replace or might add a few ABs. The shade is a little bit off, but still it matches it. So it's very close in shade. I might add it in the water over here to show the effect of it being wet. You know, to show the effect of glowing surface. So not on the sky definitely, but in the water I might do that. I wouldn't want to add too many ABs, but most likely I will add some here in this area. I will replace this color with ABs. Now orangey, beautiful shades, green. So I am actually, I love it. I love the image itself. I love the colors. So hopefully it will turn out detailed, which I'm pretty sure it will. So this is it. I will leave the link to Walmart website and Mary Maxim, because at this point it's cheaper there. Plus they have a discount for Mother's Day. But watch that website. As far as I noticed, they lower their prices for the beginning of the week, and then they went like in the middle of the week they go back up. So don't rush in purchasing it now. Check on Monday, because I saw this diamond painting kit for $27 in the beginning of last week. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you soon.